Hello and welcome everybody. HYLN stock on 28 November. Let's see that with easy steps. If you are new to this video, don't forget to subscribe and like. And let's start for this video. So I think this is going to be about the trend line, which is going to be straight, and another one which is going to be on a slope way, and that goes to form the HYLN stock on 28 November. So that means that goes to make such a thing that is going to be increase in momentum next time. However, HYLN stock is still popular for everybody who started to invest on this stock on 1 week. If you want for 1 day, this goes to be give us a straight form with a long way. So it's going to be here a lot of green candles appeared, but its effect on 1 week is going to be about only the price that can be appear on. Okay, also green candles that appeared, but here only red candles instead of red and green candles appeared. Hope you benefit from this video.